super unique pen. Thought it was one of a kind. Let's see how it works. So it will not come off, it will swivel. It has a locking mechanism. Just push it forward and there's a mini pen. I never seen a pen with a safety locking mechanism. That's it. So I'll swivel in there, no problem. And also has this pineapple frog design. All I have to do is just pull on this and it will release it. And push it too. So again, let's see, push and it will release. So there's little balls in there that will hold it on here. Love it. So I don't have to worry about this pen falling off. I'll have to push it here and then release it. So there's a better safety from losing the pen. I'd have to pull it by both sides. If it's pulled out here or pushed, it's not going to work. Or pushed here, it's not going to come off. I'd have to hold this and push it this way and this way, and then we'll release it. Very cool miniature pen, I love it. And the pencil inside of it, that's what it looks like. It comes with the replacement. Also, quick announcement, there is my eBay account. Everything you see in these videos will be listed for pretty good deal. So might take a while for me to list all this new stuff, but if you guys want to support my channel, click links in the description and buy whatever you're interested in. It'll help out to buy more gadgets for me. This right here probably the coolest lighter in a while. This is like out-of-phone lighter, and to close it, all I have to do close it like this. So OTF oil lighter. To refill it, all I have to do is grab one of those screwdrivers. Let's see. I love these things. Always have it nearby, so I need a flat head. Take this one out. Put this one back in here. So very useful though. This is more of an electrical screwdriver, but in case I need something close by for small things like that, all I have to do is just open it, and it's so easy to leverage it on it. Boom. And let's fill it up and see how it lights up. It takes one of those lighter fluids fills, and we're gonna fill it all the way to the top. Some of these lighters have a really nice vibration protection. Some of them vibrate pretty often to where needs to be refilled every so often, but the flame of the lighter fluid is so much better than propane or gas fluid, or like gas lighters, I mean. So there's minuses and pluses with these lighters. Okay, and just like that, it lights up so easily as soon as I filled it up. Love it. Let's turn it off. That's what it will look like in the dark. Beautiful. And yeah, looks like there's a little indent in there to where it will protect it. Oh, it even pushes up a little bit, so it seals it tight. Love it. Lights up so well. Oil lighter right here. So cool. How do I change flint though? That is the question. So I guess to change the flint, let's take it apart and figure it out how this design works. Because if you need to change flint, probably have to remove this real quick. Okay. And then remove this, and the flint will go all the way from here. So it will remove a spring put new flint in and put it back it all together, lock it, and then we're going to screw this holder back on. I love it. This is the coolest like brass lighter design I ever seen. I haven't filmed lighters in a while. I used to film a lot. I have a decent collection of lighters. I guess I took a break till they make some new designs. It's kind of hard to find them for a minute. Love it. It's so reliable too. Lights up every single time. Out of front, trench lighter. Beautiful. On knife, titanium magnetic quick release keychain. So there it is. This one is anodized blue titanium. I love that. So it has a nice swivel to it, and it has a lock, and then it's pretty easy to remove. That's it, and it's on a magnet, and it locks in so it does not remove. This is a really good design. Very smooth, and the magnet holds pretty good too. Here's another unique I don't know, fidget gadget, everyday carry fidget gadget. I've seen a lot of them out of plastic. This one looks like a knife, but it is thick, looks like aluminum. Remind me of Rita XO gravity knife, except this will open all the way. Look at that. Imagine that would be a knife. It's really thick, but yeah, it is made pretty much out of aluminum. This side here is solid, so it has a nice weight to it. It is quite satisfying. Let's see. That's a fast way to deploy it right here. That is cool. Cool little fidget toy. That looks like a Rita XO gravity knife, except this one is not. So unique. Railer keychain bead holder. How cool is that? So there's beads. Probably good idea to hang it onto a backpack. Also, I can push it to a little bit deeper, so it's kind of leveled. But yeah, there's a bunch. There's a magnet inside of them. Beads, quite tight. Oh, there it is. High quality beads. Railer. I like that. Goes back in there. So if I need one of this to take out the bolt or screw, I mean a bolt or the other thing, I forgot what it's called. It's pretty easy to do. It sits in there tight, so they're not going to come off, that's for sure. Oh wow, there's a magnet too. That's cool, so I can hang one of these things if I need to replace it. Put it in here and grab it out for quick replacement, I guess. That's cool. There you go, a railer, like bead